Everyday carry. It's more than just the stuff we shove in our pockets before leaving the house. It's an extension of ourselves, of what we do and how we think, and honestly, how we survive the day. This is my everyday carry for 2026. So the first item is a notebook, and this is where I write down all my YouTube ideas, all my thoughts, all my video structure ideas and stuff like that. And the reason I'm writing it down is because when I get an idea, it leaves my brain so fast. So I need to write it down as soon as possible. It's always there and I can revisit that idea and maybe make something out of it. And the reason I'm using a notebook instead of just writing it down on my phone is just to avoid all the distractions. The next item is a digital watch, and just the simplicity of it. It shows the time, the day and the date. I don't need anything else. I just love the simplicity of it, and I don't have to think about battery or anything. It goes on and on and on. The next item is just a simple pair of sunglasses. And these are just some cheap ones that I found in a gas station. But they work, they look cool, and I bet these will be replaced very soon anyway, because I'm gonna lose them somehow, like I always do with sunglasses. Is there a scratch already? Next up, I need music in my life. And I can't take a walk without having music. I can't go to the gym and work out if I don't have music with. These are just some normal JBL headphones. I don't remember what model these are exactly, but they have noise cancellation and they sound pretty good and feel pretty good, so. And next up is a tiny camera. This is an action camera. It's the DJI Action 4. And as a content creator, I always bring this camera with me because you never know, sometimes you just realize that I need to film this. And the reason I'm choosing this one is because it doesn't take up a lot of space. It fits in my pocket and I can just take it out and press record. And sometimes I also want to pop on an ND filter on this camera. If I want to shoot in my preferred settings, the images tend to be kind of overexposed in bright sunlight, so I can just pop on one of these and the problem is solved. And the last item is my phone. And this is just an iPhone 13, which I actually use right now to monitor this video. Not the latest, not the best. It works. It does what it needs to do to please me. Some of them fits in my pocket, but you know, I can put these in my pockets. So I also have my EDC bag. It's just a simple side bag where everything fits perfectly. So this was my EDC video for 2026. So I will recreate this video in a year from now and we'll see if I have changed anything or if I'm still using the iPhone 13. Am I still using the DJI Action 4? Time will tell. But as long as they work, I will use them. So please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.